Okay, so this is going to be kind of a small one. Travessa da Cidade Nova de Taisan. So we're just going to go directly up that little street right there. It's kind of an interesting little street anyways. So I definitely want to capture some of this interesting stuff. And then we're just going to go up it. Short, small street, but it's in this kind of interesting area. Let's come back. I'll tell you more when we come back.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So that's the street we're gonna go down. But yeah, so there's a school in the corner right here. So I can see all this kind of school stuff here. There's tall buildings in the background. We're pretty close to the border. This is a girls' school. It's called Our Lady of Fatima. Or no, this one says, this is a different one. It says College, the Diocese of Sao Jose. Okay, and then it's connected to the Catholic girls' school. So it's kind of a cool little area anyways. Get all these tall apartment buildings. So we're just gonna explore, see what we can see in this area. The lighting is just coming down, but we're kind of capturing this cool stuff. I wasn't gonna film this street, but just look how amazing this is with these apartments like that. Actually, that was the reason I wanted to capture some of this. It's just a small little street. Oh, there's a school right there. Such a small little street, but it has like really cool stuff in here. So the end of the street's right there. That's the street sign right there. Travessa de Cidade Nova. I'm gonna get close to that in a minute. But you kind of have this little, look how cool this stuff is. We're just gonna walk into this for a moment and walk back out. This is technically labeled to another street, of course. Oh, this is all stuff for the temple. You can burn all this stuff. There's like little houses. You burn it for the ancestors. So you can burn houses and cars and different little stuff like that. So yeah, this is going to turn into a different street altogether. Look at that. Or no. Rua Tre da Cidade Nova de Taisan. It kind of looks kind of cool everywhere around in here. But we're definitely going to go back to where we just came from and focus on our street that we were on. But you can see, I guess it's like I think that was Tre, so that was number 3, the 3rd street of Taisan, and I think this was the 1st street of Taisan. So sometimes they're labeled differently. I kind of want to film that street too. Oh, it's School of Fukien. Fukien is so there's a bunch of schools. There's a Catholic school over there. Fukien is where a lot of the Chinese come from who immigrated to Macau. This was originally Portuguese, but then it attracted a lot of people from the Fukien region of, sorry for my mispronunciations, from the Fukien region of China, because originally it was just, it didn't have all the stuff that it has now, of course. It wasn't, here's the school again from that side. And then we kind of come up to this little circular thing. So it looks like we can kind of come in. So it looks like this just basically goes into a little circle, and I guess you could get up there as well. And that's our street right there. Let's just see if we can get into the street, see how far the street goes actually. It might actually keep going through that little stuff too. Oh yeah, I definitely want to film in this area for sure. Let's see if we can find a street sign. I think that's the same Taisan. So yeah, it's getting a little dark, but we're gonna go up there and film in a minute. Let's see if we can see what's down here. There's places to sit right there. There's a scale, you can weigh yourself. And then we're gonna just keep going down. There's more chairs, there's like chairs all the way along here. This is a really dense area right in here. So we're gonna walk straight through this. It's getting kind of dark. It's about 8 o'clock, I think. I'll label the exact time. Another couch. The Peach Collection. Then we're gonna come out on this side. Ooh, pizza. Dang. Pie pizza. So now we're gonna come out in here, and I don't know if this is, oh, Pie Pizza right there. That's the name of it. So it looks like there's pizza right there. That's the alley that we just went in. I think we're kind of close to the border right here. So yeah, there's a nice tree-lined road. Dang, there's just so much to film around here. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna turn it off in a minute, but we're just gonna see what this little plaza thing is as well before we do. I'm sure we're on a different street now, but and now we're kind of in this little park area. Okay. Man, there's just so much cool stuff everywhere. Let's just see what this says. Rua da Cidade Nova de Taisan. So I think we're still in that Taisan area, and you can see with these tall apartments. And now we have all these people over here too, doing games. It's cool. I think that's the bathroom. And then I think we're gonna end it in a minute. Okay. Look how cool this is. It's amazing. Yeah, nighttime sometimes is the coolest time to be out. And I'm gonna just end this one by going back into an alley, and then we're gonna come out the other side. I'm just gonna label it all the same one, and then we'll probably end it in this little space. And I'll probably film this other one as a separate video in a little bit. Oh, there's all this cool artwork everywhere. There's more cool stuff. Okay, so we're gonna end this momentarily. It's so dark, you can't see anything, but it's okay. We're gonna come out in a minute and then we're gonna end it, so. Okay. So I hope this was interesting. So this is where we came in, and this is back to that little circle, and we just labeled it accordingly to that one. Another couch right there. Okay, so we basically just walked up that little street, and then we came in, and this is like a little roundabout area, and then that's basically it. Hope you like that.
Chiquinha.